Hello, we are in Brno, the biggest engineering fair in the region, and this is the event we decided to, or selected to introduce our gateway-based solution. So let me just show you how it works. So far, we were able to catch any machine movement, even this old machine, and communicating with the tablet. But from today on, we are having this new gateway, which is suitable to collect data from any machine directly, without the need of the tablet, and through the web server, we are able to predict machine up and down times, real time, based on stream data. It's a very great milestone in the life of our company. I'm very happy that we successfully managed to do so. Thank you, team.